Mega love shout out everyone. So this is me, Mom Shawie vlog. So thank you very much for our dear sponsor for this. So she gave me Maybelline Fit Me New York. So I think she gave me this one because she wanted me to feel beautiful. So I didn't say, guys, that I am beautiful. Feeling beautiful. So probably our dear sponsor will see to it that her ate will be feeling beautiful and gorgeous. Charot. So flexing to you, Maybelline Fit Me with Matte Poreless. It's a powder foundation that controls oil within 24 hours with SPF 44. So this gives high coverage nature matte look. It is water resistant technology formula with mattifying minerals on skin. Fitting pigments easily blends on our skin, and it's comfortable and breathable all day long. It is designed for Asian skin tone and texture, and of course it's gentle on skin and suitable for sensitive skin. And as what I've said, it is SPF 44 PA plus equals 4 plus 4. So again, thank you very much gang for this Maybelline Fit Me. Thank you again and again. Mabuhay and take care always po.